Today, we're going to be building a Morse code machine using a block of wood, a roll of masking tape, a 9-volt battery, a paper clip, a light bulb and light bulb holder, and 2 short wires and 2 longer wires. Later, we're going to be building an electromagnet using a nail, and a flashlight using a piece of PVC pipe and the same light bulb. So I'm going to start by taking one end of the light bulb and taping it to the block of wood. Then I'm going to take the paper clip and I'm going to bend an end up. Take another piece of tape, make sure the metal on the paper clip is touching the metal on the wire, and tape it securely down. Make sure that you can push down on this without it coming up off the wire, or else it will not be able to operate correctly. Next, you want to take the other end of the wire attached to your light bulb and tape it to one end of your battery. You want to make sure you don't cover up the other end, that way you're able to attach the other wire later. Take one of your short wires and tape it to the other side of the battery. This one you can cover fully because it's going to help secure both wires into place. Then finally, take the last piece of tape and tape this piece down here. You're going to want to use something that is not electrically conductive to be able to push down on this. So I'm just going to use this little plastic covering right here and show you. Oh, sorry, it came undone. Now, if you have a much longer wires and 2 of these, you can hook them up together and you'll be able to transmit messages across other rooms. Now, you can also take a brass thumbtack and stick it down on this to make sure it doesn't come up, but unfortunately we didn't have any of those. But the point is, you're supposed to be able to make them out of any household item you have, such as a block of wood, some wires, and a battery, and a paper clip. The next one we're going to do is an electromagnet. So I'm going to unhook one of the wires from my light bulb. And I'm going to take the battery, or the wire I mean, and I'm going to wrap it tightly around the nail. Welcome back, and sorry, we had some technical difficulties with the camera. So while my mom was fixing that, I decided to go ahead and tape the wires together. So now, if it'll ever work, I'm going to put these 2 wires on. And now, this is a working electromagnet.
Why?
The magnetic field caused by the electrical current causes it to pick items up. Alright, now I'm going to make a flashlight using 2 C batteries, a long wire, a short wire, and the light bulb holder and light bulb. Go ahead and insert your 2 wires in and secure them on. I've already taped this side down. Now I'm going to take the other side and do the same with the top. Now you can stick this down in a tube and you'll have a flashlight. There is no on and off switch other than removing the wire, but as it seems, if you don't push down on the wires in my case, you have a button for a flashlight. Thank you for watching. This is the science experiments we have done for you today. I hope you enjoyed our Morse code machine, electromagnet, and flashlight.